Okay, let's talk about some of the benefits of incorporating your business within Canada. First and foremost, the corporate tax rates as an active business income or as an active business in Canada, we have access to 12.2% tax rates for the first $500,000 of net income. After that, it goes up to 26%. But if you compare the 12.2% rate to an individual who's a proprietor or a partnership, their tax rates are upwards of marginal tax rates of 55% and plus. So we get access to 12.2% active business tax rates, which is a primary objective and benefit of incorporating inside Canada. The second would be the limited liability protection that a corporation allows an individual. So what that means is there's risk inherent in operating a business. Should something happen inside a business, but it's operated in a corporation, which is a separate legal entity, the risk is all essentially being bared by the corporate entity, and the individual is somewhat off the hook. Now, there's some instances where if there's negligence or there was intentional misrepresentation, you might be able to go after an individual who operates a corporation. But for the most part, a corporation protects us as individuals and also protects the assets that we've accumulated. Some of the other benefits would include reputation and sort of brand and positioning. Where you think of a corporation and operating a business, people would take you more seriously when you've invested in creating a separate legal entity. It looks like it's a higher status, a larger organization for sure. So that's maybe some aesthetics. But looking at some other elements, succession planning, to be able to sell shares to the next generation, to an external buyer. There's some tax benefits related to that. Also, ease of succession. In fact, when you talk about bringing investors on of any form, whether it's selling your business or whether it's bringing on partners or other shareholders to bring in investment money, the ease and use of a corporation makes it much simpler and more legitimate as far as being able to outline what that ownership structure looks like and how those potential other shareholders would share in the benefits or the growth of the corporation. So there's a few areas that we want to focus on when it comes to the benefits of a corporation in Canada.